One question which did crop up when we were sort of speaking to people about putting this session on, and I know this is, I suppose, related to um, possibly organisation by organisation in terms of possible geographic spread or size or internal capability and expertise and things. But when it comes to this record repairs spend, what are your takes on the fact that it feels like some associations are trying to move more repairs to be delivered with in-house capacity and expertise rather than a combination of contractors? And I know contractor management in itself is a problem which many struggle with. I don't know if either of you got a first point on that to sort of cover.
I don't mind trying to give our sort of view on that. So about a year ago, just under a year ago, we brought our service in-house. It was just an opportunity that actually was presented to us. We were looking at acquiring a contractor, but the existing contractor we were working with was bought out by another RP, and they were focusing on the green agenda. So it gave us a real opportunity to transfer the operatives over to an in-house service. And the reason it wasn't just obviously whatever was happening in the economy, contractors going bust and all that, but also that added social value and be able. We just didn't feel with an external contractor that they're part of the fabric and they're part of your culture, and it's quite difficult to influence that.